Can't get it? It's because your door. Yeah, you gotta close the door. Yeah, they got like a safety thing.
This is a cold war. Do you know what you
Watch some
want?
serious. Watch some serious. What's going on, guys? It's your guy Serious Mindset back with another video. And look, first and foremost, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell. And of course, make sure you follow the Instagram at serious_lanes. I would greatly appreciate it. But nevertheless, today is a special moment. It's been a minute, but you seen yesterday's vlog. Yesterday's vlog was epic. You know, needless to say, we are at that cornerstone of hitting 500 miles. So I wanted to do this for a very special reason. So nevertheless, just stay tuned for the video because man, we're about to turn up. The cold start is in. So, needless to say, we are about to go for a ride. We are about to go for a ride. Nevertheless, it is again a beautiful day. As you see, the garage lifts up and shows blessings. Again, blessings because it is a beautiful day. So, you know, always count your blessings. You know, it's a blessing to be able to be in this vehicle because a lot of people like this type of vehicle, you know what I mean? And it's truly a blessing because a lot of people will want to be, you know, owners of specific vehicles like this, you know what I mean? Mopar Nation is very strong, but nevertheless, I'm not gonna trying to stop cussing. I'm not gonna preach to you guys. We just gonna ride out. We're gonna enjoy this video content because I've been waiting a long time to do this. It's been so long. Let me show you guys. We're sitting at 462. So we're sitting at 462 right now. So just stay tuned. Let's just go get it, have fun. What's this? Let me give you guys game. I'm gonna give you guys game. As far as the mechanic industry, oh man, I can't make a left. Dang, I'm gonna have to go around. But these guys know how much they're gonna charge for example. So I'm just gonna let it. So the title of the thumbnail, you see by the thumbnail, I'm gonna be doing my mid muffler delete because I'm hitting 500 miles. So I'm gonna be able to open it up. So needless to say, it bothers me because, you know, people still try to get over on people like they don't know anything or have common sense. So if these guys, so I went to this one shop, I'm not gonna disclose their name. I'm gonna give you guys my experience going through the mods, right? So these guys said, I don't know, they gotta see what's under before they actually give me a number. All you're doing is a mid muffler delete. You're just chopping off here, you're chopping off here, you're chopping off here, you're chopping off here. Like, you should know that. So I called another shop, they gave me numbers. I called another shop. Now mind you, these are muffler shops. So these are not your reputable Pet Boys or you know, your common Joe Blow auto mechanic guys. These are actual experts for mufflers, supposedly, right? So I'm giving you guys game. So just in case you guys go through a scenario where they say, oh well, we have to put you, we have to lift it up to see what we're working with before we can quote you. That is a tactic where they try to basically already have you on there and then try to gouge you. Try to gouge you on the price. Does that make sense? Because they think you haven't done your research and things like that. You know, because he was getting ready to write the paper. I'm like, well, how much is it? You know, you guys got quotes for a lot of things. Come on now. So just be wary if you're looking to do a mid muffler delete. Make sure you be wary of the shops that you guys deal with. I'm out in Washington State. So, you know, I'm gonna show you guys the license plate too. I had to bring the license plate out. But at the end of the day, just make sure you guys do your research or whatnot. and then go from there. So let me go to this shop that I was gonna go to originally because I already called them and I love the price. So stay tuned. Let's go. Let's get this thing done. Oh man, the old school, man, everybody riding the old school is beautiful out here. But just stay tuned. Oh, you did the whole car?
Yeah, the only thing I didn't do, it already came with that paint job on it. I put the interior in, put the tires and rims.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
New rear end, new exhaust.
Oh, that's
got a new motor in it.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah, the whole interior was redone.
Look at that. Oh man, look at that. Got that cream. Ooh. Got the classic. Then those are Flowmasters?
No, those are rollers.
Rollers. Oh, okay. Yeah, he just got that done. Oh man, that thing is beautiful. Getting this thing done or whatnot. So we gonna start this baby up. See what this baby sound like. So we're gonna see what this. Look at that. So that's gonna be gone. That's what it sounds like. Yeah. So not too much, but needless to say, look, happy 500 miles, cause yeah, it's time, yeah. Look at that thing. Oh yeah. You can't get it? It's cause your door. Yeah, you gotta close the door. Yeah, they got like a safety thing. He was trying to take off with the door open. Oh man, that's classic. Yeah, so they got these features where look how wide that thing is. Look how wide those tires is. That's some 305s. But he so they got this feature on there. You know, if you got the new, I don't know if it's on the other ones or whatnot, but they got the feature like if you leave the door open and you try to move, like the brake automatically engages and then you can't do nothing, like you can't go nowhere. So this is what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna try to get this good old thumbnail action too for you guys, cause you know it's all about the thumbnail as well. But look at those traps. I gotta get back in the gym too. But stay tuned. About to go ahead and crank this thing up, and then hey look, about to just go ahead and get it. That's what it is. Yeah buddy, you getting all that. Oh man, I'm getting attacked by a wasp. Oh, that was a love bug. Thought I got attacked by a wasp. You know, all this little stuff about wasps and hornets. You know, you get paranoid, some touch your legs, start flying on you. As you can see, getting them measurements done. Man, the process is so thrilling. Ooh man. So after that meet last night, man, them guys, yeah. I'm like, okay. It's gonna be on now. Okay. Yeah. He don't have it in the right mode. You gotta put it in another mode. You know what mode? You put it in track mode? Yeah, you gotta put it in the right mode. He in the regular mode. But it don't sound too good. Oh yeah. I'm gonna play with it. Oh yeah, that's fine. I don't want you. Don't want to slip up on the thing, man. You know, safety first, people. Always safety first. But it don't sound. I don't know. You just got to put it on the ground or whatnot. But it don't sound like I wanted it to sound. But I don't think he had it in the right mode. So we gonna see what mode he had it in. I'm gonna get in that thing. We gonna see what mode he had it in, because I don't think he knew what mode it was in, just like the door thing. So, you know, I'm like, man, it's supposed to be sounding more better than that. It's supposed to be sounding much more ferocious. It's hard to see my face with this hat, huh? I'm gonna have to Oh, make sure you look out for the brand too. Serious Mindset apparel brand. Make sure you follow the Instagram. Serious. I got so much. Serious_mindset_brand is the apparel brand name. So dope designs. I design everything. I create everything. Quality under the control. Stay serious. Serious Mindset. That's what it is. Watch serious. Stay tuned. Oh yeah, there you go. There you go. Oh yeah, there you go. Oh yeah, that's what I wanted. That's what we want. You want to hear that thing come alive. C-Move, Texas made, baby, Texas made. But we got some more mods coming for this thing, so we can open up a little bit more. So, like I say, you know, I wanna do a lot to it, but I don't want it to be too overbearing on the ears as well. You know, those annoying things, but it sounds okay right now. But needless to say, I'm gonna change the mode too, because I know that mode is not open. But not only that, it's not at the 500 yet. So it's not at the 500 yet. So needless to say, it's not like it's ready to be open. So we're gonna play with this thing a little bit more. So oh yeah. It just sound vicious. It just sound nasty. Look how beautiful that thing is. That tent really set it off. Stay tuned for the review. The review is coming up, so stay tuned for the review. So the mode is you press the SRT mode right there. Yep. So press it. Yeah, you can go ahead and press it. And then put it in track. Yeah, that one. Yeah. See that? Oh yeah. It's not too annoying. Oh yeah. So it's not too annoying, and it's somewhat moderate too. So I'm not too tripping on that. But yeah, like I said, it's all within that mode. So stay tuned for the review video of that bad boy right there. So that's what we're gonna do. So stay tuned. Yeah. So I finally made it back. So I finally made it back to the crib, and I don't know if you guys can hear. So I didn't get a chance to do most of the close the door, baby. You don't let all the flies and stuff in. Got old school. You don't let all the flies and stuff in. Don't let them flies in, because I'm gonna be the one chasing. But needless to say, you can hear it a little bit. I'm gonna get back on the road, but I had to make sure I come back and tend to the family, because you know family is always first. So make sure you count your blessings, if at that. But anyway, you can still hear. Still hear it a little bit in the background. So needless to say, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit the notification bell. Hey, you got any questions, make sure you put them in the description or whatnot. But at the end of the day, make sure you stay serious. Look out for the review video coming soon, because we're at 480. So 20 miles. So stay serious. Watch serious.
It's a cold war. Do you know what you
Watch serious.